Rachel, you can stop now. Oh, I didn't see you there. Hi, I'm Tom Pierce, and I'm here to tell you about the process of waste to fuel. Rachel, I need your help. Trash. It's been around forever. It's something that will always be around. It's also been a problem as to what we should do with trash. Should we burn it, put it in the landfill, or just let it rot and decompose? But that could take hundreds of years. So that's why we need to use waste and make it into energy. Follow me into my journey and how we'll do that. Americans, on average, use up to 1,600 pounds of trash in a year. Now, the long-lasting question is, what do we do with that trash? We could put it in a landfill and let it decompose, but that'll take hundreds of years. So, why not just use the trash and have waste turn into energy? Now let me explain the process between taking waste and making it into energy. Join me! Now let's get into the science behind the process of waste to energy. The process takes solid heterogeneous and homogeneous waste and converts it into methanol and fuel, as well as useful chemicals such as ethylene, propylene, acrylic acids, and high-level alcohol. Now let's go through this step by step. First, the waste is delivered to the facility and is stored in a bunker. The waste is then transferred into a combustion chamber where it is burnt at extremely high temperatures. The heat from the combustion reaction process boils water. The steam from the boiling water is used directly, or more frequently, the steam drives a turbine that will then generate electricity. Electricity is distributed. Ash from combustion is processed to extract metal for recycling. It is then combined with residue from the air pollution control process. The combined ash is either disposed of in a monomial that receives only waste, used as a cover material at a conventional landfill, or with other landfills. All gases are collected, filtered, and cleaned before being emitted into the atmosphere. They manage gas from the combustion process with a state-of-the-art air pollution control technology that operates to state and federal standards. They control emissions of particulate matter primarily through a bathhouse, a fabric filter. They monitor criteria and other pollutants and operating parameters to ensure compliance with permit conditions. While I tell you some of the pros and cons that come from creating energy from waste, why don't you enjoy this game of tennis between Rachel and I? Some of the pros are that the majority of the waste that goes into the landfills can be reused. The fuel is obtained cheaply. There will always be a reliable source of fuel as people will always have waste. And it separates natural resources to properly be recycled. Some of the cons. Facilities are expensive to construct, normally ranging from $1 billion to $1.5 billion. It has a possibility of creating toxic ash. And very importantly is that the public isn't convinced that the facilities are completely clean and free of harmful chemicals, which I can tell you, they are.
Yes!
Europe is one of the big users in this type of energy. Why shouldn't America be too? Because there's no better country than America.
Oh, beautiful, far